Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. In this video, we'll be seeing few more operations, few more functions on the NumPy arrays, that is matrices. Okay. So now we are taking here one array, one matrix with the help of np.arrange of size 12, and after this, an array of 12 elements from 0 to 11 will be created. Now I want to reshape it in two-dimensional array with 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, so how to do it? With the help of reshape function, reshape 3 comma 4. So 3 rows and 4 columns will be there. Remember, whatever is the size, reshape the array accordingly. Okay, so now, so 12 elements, that is 3 rows and 4 columns, will make it a matrix of 12 elements. Now next, so what will be the array? B over here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So done with this. So next is we're calling a function sum. Okay, and here we're writing axis equals to 0. So every matrix is having 2 axes. Okay, what is axis 0? Axis 0 is the columns of the matrix, and axis 1 will be indicating rows of the matrix. Now next, if suppose we are writing b equals to sum, axis 0, that means it will be the sum of each column. Okay, it will return sum of each column. So let us see how it is performed. Sum of each column. So 0 plus 4 plus 8 will be 12, 1 plus 5 plus 9 will be 15, 2 plus 6 plus 10 will be 18, 3 plus 7 plus 11 will be 21. So we are adding each columns. Okay, so column 0, column 1, column 2 and column 3. So this was about axis 0. If suppose we want to perform addition of all the rows, so that time we are mentioning axis equals to 1. So what will be the addition over here? As we are having 3 rows, we will get here 3 values. So addition of first row will be 6, addition of second row will be 22 and addition of third row will be 38. So I suggest you to run this program and see the output, check the output. Now next one is minimum function. Okay, min function. That too we have to mention here axis. Okay, so where in which axis you want to find the minimum number. So I want to find it in rows. Okay, minimum value in a row. So how will it be displayed? Minimum value in each row. So as we are having 3 rows, we will be getting 3 values over here. In first row, minimum is 0. In second row, minimum is 4. And in third row, minimum is 8. So this is the output. Now next is cumulative sum of the axis 1, that is rows. So what is cumulative sum? Where keep on adding the previous elements. Okay, so as it is 1, so we are adding previous elements of the row, that is previous columns of the row. Now let us see. 0, we don't have anything before 0, so that it will return 0. Now 1, here 0 plus 1 will be 1. Next, for this column, 2 plus 1 plus 0 will be 3. Then 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 will be 6. Again for the next row, same thing, 4 as it is. Next, 4 plus 5, 9. 6 plus 9 equals to 15. 15 plus 7 will be 22. Next, 8 as it is. Next, 8 plus 9 will be 17. 17 plus 10 will be 27. 27 plus 11 will be 28. So this was more functions about the matrices in NumPy. Hope to see in upcoming videos. Till then, subscribe the channel. Thank you.